Want to automatically send new RSS feed updates straight into your Notion database? In this video, I'll show you how to connect RSS.app, n8n, and Notion so new posts are added automatically. No manual work or coding required. Let's get started. Open RSS.app. This tool lets you turn any website into an RSS feed, even if the site doesn't provide one. Paste the URL of the website you want to track into the RSS generator. Or, if you already have an RSS feed, paste it in directly and choose between native and enhanced view. Click Save to My Feeds and then adjust your feed. You can add filters to hide duplicates, or include or exclude posts by keyword, or combine it with other feeds into a bundle. Next, open n8n. Click Create a New Workflow and search for the webhook node. Change the HTTP method to POST, then click Listen for Test Event. Copy the webhook URL that appears and go back to RSS.app. Here, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Webhooks. Paste the URL you just copied from n8n and click Add Webhook. Then, click the three dots next to it and toggle on Apply Filters. This ensures any filters you've set also apply to the data being sent to the webhook. Then, choose the feed you want to send to n8n. If you don't select one, posts from all your feeds will be sent. Click Send Test. You should see a 200 status in RSS.app, and the output field in n8n should fill up with test data. Next, click the plus sign in your n8n workflow and search for Notion. Choose Create Database Page as the action. Then, open the Credentials tab and follow the n8n docs to connect your Notion account. To do this, go to the Notion Integrations dashboard and create a new integration. Give it a name, select your workspace, and enable these capabilities: read content, update content, insert content, and read user information without email addresses. Click Save. Then, copy your internal integration secret and paste it into n8n. Click Save again to confirm. In Notion, open the database where you want to store your RSS updates. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Connections and add the n8n integration you just created. This gives n8n permission to create new entries in that database. Now, go back to n8n. Your Notion database should now appear in the list. Select it, then configure the properties you want to fill in. Map the data from the webhook output to the matching database fields. For example, map the RSS title, link, and publication date to the corresponding columns in Notion. Click Execute Step, and your Notion database should now populate with the test entry. Once you're happy with the setup, toggle the Inactive switch to active to turn the workflow on. From now on, every time a new post appears in your RSS feed, RSS.app will push it to the n8n webhook, which will trigger your workflow and automatically add it to your Notion database. And that's it! Your RSS feed and Notion are now fully connected. Try it today with RSS.app.